What the dog doing?
I love the stop sign. It's not like
That's my startup pack.
like set it up. Just oh, actually like mocha.
What the dog doing?
Oh my god, hi YouTube. So this is my first time actually doing like a proper vlog, and since I have like a lot of free time, I can actually pay attention to what I'm doing, and I cannot wait to see how that turns out. And yeah, I'm just so excited. Also, I'm not like sure what I'm doing, but I think I'm figuring out as I go. Yeah, I think I'm gonna continue with this. But anyway, I'm gonna go like freshen up right now, so this is what I'm wearing. I'm actually going out with my friends, so this. Outfit check. I love this top so much. I don't know, man. I think I have a something.
How about, are we gonna order something in non-veg?
Cheers. Take the hand off.
Oh, that's okay.
Strawberry. Oh my god, she's so.
Please no.
So the last one we posted, 3rd January.
I know.
What are you going to do?
Okay, what am I gonna do?
आजा अंदर
तू भी आ जा।
सबको रेडी है ब्लॉग तेरी पीठ आ गई ब्लॉग के पास ओ मुझे लगा क्या कुछ भी ब्लॉग बनाने वाली थी मुझे लगा फोन निकाली एडिट करना
तू भी आ जा।
नो देख इसने कपड़े पहने ये गर्लफ्रेंड है उसकी ये बॉयफ्रेंड है
मुझे फिट चक्कर ना दिस इज बेटर।
अभी भी वेलकम टू दुबई यू वांट बुर्गी सलाम वालेकुम अभी जान हट आपको सर कॉल बोल रहे हैं ये तमीज सिखाया आपने आपको हट हो गया
그럼이
Oh, actually like mocha truffle. So I just got my desk organizer from Crazily Kawaii. So we're just gonna unbox that. Since my desk is like super messy, I just had to buy one, and I hope it turns out like really cute. Want to set it up now. So this is how it's supposed to get. I'm gonna read up and make this. There's no instruction, it's just a picture. I mean, it's not that hard, but I think I can do it. It's pretty simple. I think this is like a tiny desk, kind of. It's small stuff. Just keep it like. Oh, okay, I got it. Alright, I got it. There are like 6 of these, so I can just hang them. It's cute. Now I'm just gonna see how I should like set it up. There's like a hanging. I'm still putting that, but these. I'm gonna put like cute keychains. And then I have like a lot of skincare. So I've got skincare, I've got small clips, especially the clips. It keeps my drawers so cluttered that I just had to get this. And now I'm done. So yeah, it's gonna look. I'm still gonna set it up. Wait, it's literally a mess. I cannot even like show my desk, so I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna show y'all the final result. The amount of lip balms I have, I have like 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 lip balms. I think I might have more, but oh. I don't even think it's gonna stay that long. I think it's gonna fall off. I hope it stays. So these are all my skincare products, a few keychains, clips. I mostly use like Korean skincare. I think I just got my next content idea. Do you want the house tour? Let me take you to the first, second, third floor. Okay. This is my cord set that I'll be wearing at the airport, and the fit is super comfy.